GP is a strategic combination of analytical skills and knowledge of the world at large. Most students tend to have difficulty synthesizing the two together, especially with their understanding of universal issues that currently plague the world. Among those, media is key as it is at the core of all profound changes happening today. In this course, we will explore the evolution of media and its influence on modern technology. You will also be provided with a specially curated resource package designed to broaden your knowledge. With it, your essay will stand out from the crowd.
Mathematical questions in H2 Math are like puzzles. Students will need to combine multiple concepts in order to piece a solution together. This can be challenging if students are unable to identify the connection between each topic. In my course, I will provide carefully formulated questions that will help you see these links with ease. As we do them together, you will strengthen your understanding of key math ideas and skills needed to conquer inter-topical questions. If you find calculus hard to understand, you will love the handout I have included for all my students.
I'm Dina.
I am Alex, and we are here to guide you anytime, anywhere.